Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. This video is on the custom paint job I recently did on the Revell 1941 Chevy truck. I'll be showing some of the paints I used, some of the masking and patterns I did, and you'll see how it all turns out in the end, so stay tuned. Where I'm picking up in this video, I've already got all my body work done, and I show all that in the complete build video, which I will leave a link for here and again at the end in case you have not seen it and would be interested. But this video is all about the paint. After I get done with all my primer work, the first color I'll be mixing up is the main body color. And for this, I'll be using BeaTraxx Wicked White with just a little bit of the BeaTraxx Yellow and a little bit of the BeaTraxx Transparent Brown. I mix all my paint with the BeaTraxx 4011 for flow and the BeaTraxx 4050 clear as a binder and for strength. The next color I mixed up, I used BeaTraxx Wicked Red with the BeaTraxx Wicked Blue to make a dark maroon. I wanted the truck to have a solid color, really classic look, but I like doing the intricate paint jobs and wanted something that pops at the same time. So I drew up a crude, rough draft of the paint job I'd be going for on my box cover. I started out with BeaTraxx Autoborn Sealer Black. After my sealer was down, I just started masking out my pattern. Next, I laid down my metallic base, which is BeaTraxx Sealer Silver. After that, I was able to finish out the basic outline of my pattern. I masked off my first section, and for a lace pattern, I'm using a micro paper doily. And I'm spraying that same maroon I made earlier. Whenever I'm bouncing back and forth between regular BeaTraxx colors and the BeaTraxx Candy 2.0 line, I always cover everything in the 40/40 bleed checker. You spray it just like an intercoat clear, and it keeps the Candy 2.0 colors from bleeding into the regular paint colors. I came back over my lace patterns, and what I'm spraying here is the Candy 2.0 Blood Red. I masked up my next section, and the color I'll be spraying is BeaTraxx Transparent Brown. I want these stripes I'm spraying to fade out, so I'm only spraying the bottom section right now and letting it fade back into the silver. After I was done with those stripes, I masked off over those stripes. And I'm going to do the same thing, but now coming from the opposite direction, so it's a cross fade. I unmasked those stripes, and here's how it looks. I then sprayed over this whole section with the BeaTraxx Candy 2.0 Blood Red. Here it is after unmasking. I masked up the next section. I sprayed it with BeaTraxx Wicked Black, and I came back with the BeaTraxx 2.0 Blood Red. The next step was to unmask some of the fine lines. My next step was to start masking off the checkered pattern. To create the checkered pattern, I'll be using the Infinity Easy Cut Type B cutting board. These boards work really nice for these small shapes. The patterns are already scribed in the boards, so you just lay your piece of tape down and follow it with your X-Acto blade. After that, it's just picking off every square and placing it where you want it to create the checkerboard pattern. It definitely takes some time, but it makes a really cool effect. Jumping ahead, here's the checker pattern all masked off. I then sprayed over the checker pattern with Autoborn Sealer White, and then started unmasking all the checkers. I masked everything off one more time, and the color I sprayed was the same color as the body. And the last areas I sprayed were that same maroon I've been using throughout. Time for the final unmasking. And I still gotta unmask that last original fine line. I got everything in clear. After that, I did my wet sanding and buffing. And here is how it all turned out. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't seen the complete build on this truck and would be interested, I'll leave the link at the end of this video. I want to say thank you to everybody for watching, and like always, I got another project in the making, so stay tuned. Don't miss it. Until next time.